this is what we came for. We came to get on the Carnival breeze, and the time is finally here. I've been looking at the countdown on my app for some time now, and we finally clocked down to the point to where we're here. So let's go. We're currently at Porta Galveston's Express lot. This is the lot that's super close to the terminal. As you can see, the Carnival breeze is right behind me. Cars right there. If you want to park in the express lot, it's literally walking distance. They do have shuttles that go from lot A to the terminal directly. That is another option. They also have a parking garage option and something else. Express lot is just fine with me. I can just walk all my stuff over there and be good. Have your boarding passes and stuff like that before you give your bags over to the porters. It's gonna give you the experience of like what it looks like whenever you get here to whenever we give our bags over to the porters, whenever we do our security check and everything like that. And I'm going to take you along. We're about to get our bags out right now, and then we're going to go head over there to get on the boat. As you can see, it's super close, so within seconds we were actually at the terminal. And whenever you get over here, there's actually going to be a place where you're going to drop off your bags. Just be sure to keep your carry-on item with you that has your boarding pass and IDs, medicine, anything like that. Make sure you keep that on you, but anything else that you want free from your hands, go ahead and drop it off. After that, you're going to go inside and they're going to check you onto the boat. So right now we're inside of the terminal. Whenever you get here, it looks kind of confusing, but they have it separated where if you're on time, you go in one line, and if you're not, you go in a different line. This is what it looks like. It's a whole lot of people. So when you have your boarding time, like if you have an 11:30 to 12, try to get there by 11:30 so that way you can beat the crowd, because there's a lot of people, y'all, a whole lot of people. But it feels good. It's very much air conditioned on the inside. Make sure you have your boarding pass and ID ready. Although there's a lot of people, the line moves pretty quick, so just make sure that whenever you take your bag through the security, you don't have anything in there that you're not supposed to have, because it will go through an x-ray. They'll also be checking for alcohol if you brought any on board. They were opening 12 packs trying to see if there was anything else inside, and shaking wine bottles to see if there were bubbles that did not look like champagne or wine. So be careful with that. After the checkpoints, you have this large seating area where you can wait for family or friends, or just get yourself together. Alright, so we met up with the family. My little sister just took a family portrait. So after you check in, you're gonna take a family portrait, and then it's time to get on the boat. They had this really cool smile and go technology, and then you're on the boat. Now from here, you want to go directly to your muster station. It's going to be a lot of people getting on board, so the elevators are going to be crazy. If you can, just take the stairs. Come on in. So this is the balcony room on the Carnival breeze, and y'all, it's so cute. The first thing I want to show y'all is this couch. So if you have more people in your stateroom, this is their bed. This is the king bed, and it's actually two twins put together. So plenty of space to get up here and just. Then the part you've been waiting for, the balcony. Our room is actually on the 7th floor, so you're gonna have all of it, and then you'll look down, and you actually have two hot tubs, one over here where some kids are in, your lounge chairs, and you can just be sitting out here when you wake up in the morning, or when you just want to come in your room and get away from everybody else and everything else that's going on the boat. You just come out here and chill, have your little drinky drink, and you know, just be out here chilling. But we really wanted to get the balcony room just because we wanted that kind of like getaway relaxation feel, and I'm not mad at it, okay? I probably won't ever do another room that's not a balcony, so you know, better get you one. And so just to show you a little bit more of the actual room, got the bed, the couch, you have a little table here. You do have a TV over here that you can kind of even pivot out if you need to, like when you're laying in the bed.
Well, hey, what's up and howdy, Carnival Breeze family. This is Lawrence, your cruise director. Welcome on board. I hope y'all ready for a fantastic voyage. Family, now
we are.
I want to remind you that the captain requests everyone head to their muster station if you have not yet checked in. Yes, this means you, family. We want the fun to get started.
Okay, so yes, you'll have brief announcements reminding you of different things that is going on with the ship. When you get on board, go straight to your muster station. It's going to be on your boarding pass. Go eat, don't go try to get to your room. Go to the muster station, get checked off the list, and then go do whatever you got to do. So yeah, we have a whole bunch of different compartments. We got our towels and stuff up here. We made like a little medicine cabinet. You got your safe. Got our speaker, an extension cord that doesn't have a surge. These are allowed because as you see, there's only these two outlets, and then this one, which is I don't know what it's called, but one of those. We actually got these from Carnival. Some people will have like onboard credit or pre-board credit, and we use the credits to get this and some ginger ale for free. Well, with the credits, but for free. And then we brought on our juices and our wine. We have some storage space. You have like 3 different compartments here that you can put your luggage and take out everything and organize. You got your full body mirror. Okay, who doesn't love a full body mirror? We all do. We be trying to, you know, snap it up. This is another little closet, and it does have some hangers. Life vest on here. Make sure you have your life vest in your room. If you don't, let somebody know ASAP, because that was part of the muster drill, so I paid attention. We also have an extra cover or a comforter, you know, in case the things get too cold, or if you're someone that's going to be on the couch, then that's your cover. Bathroom. We have the shower. It does have shower gel and shampoo, but if you don't like to use this type of a shower gel shampoo, just bring your own. You are allowed to bring full-size bottles, so it doesn't have to be just the travel size. You can bring big sizes. Plenty of storage space, I feel like, for the bathroom. Like, you got levels for each category that you need, so you can have makeup on one, deodorant, lotion on another, toothpaste, whatever you need. You have one of the mirrors that get up super close on you, scares you sometimes, or, you know, just the regular one that we all use every day. But yeah, we got towels galore, and then you'll also have someone that comes and looks at your room and stuff to make sure you have everything you need. I just want to point out this too. For my people that like to hang their stuff over the balcony, this is probably a little bit safer to come and hang it if you just want to attach it right here. And say you can fold over your swimwear or swim trunks, whatever you need to get dry, you can use this instead of putting it outside. I think everything is pretty spacious for it to be on a boat in the middle of the ocean. So I just wanted to show you guys what a balcony room looked like, and hopefully you get one too. So to the Lido deck for the sail away party. That's what we've been waiting all day for. So we're finna go see if they taking over for the 99s and the 2000s. Let's go. Y'all, they was really taking over for the 99s and the 2000s. The sail away party was super lit. I haven't seen another cruise line do it like them, and I've been on a few. We was all just having a great time.
It don't taste super strong. It's like a... It tastes like something. Liquor. It's a Long Island. It's a Long Island iced tea. We tried to ask for the Tokyo tea, but they ain't doing it until after 6. So I know that's the thing.
And the party didn't stop there. Dinner was going crazy. All the people was up on the tables dancing. Look at our waiter. He was going crazy. But it was so fun. Like, I never had a dinner experience like this. Everybody was just up on their feet, and we was all just having a great time. The next morning, I was feeling real good, so I decided to go to the gym. And so I just wanted to show you everything that they had in here. They had a little free weights section. They had all type of ellipticals, treadmills, anything you could think of for like the basic necessities of a gym, they had it. And this was on the very top of the ship, like by the spa. So if you have time, definitely stop in there because you're gonna be eating a ton of guys burgers and smokehouse food and sushi and everything in between, ice cream. You're definitely gonna need to come stop in here. After that, I decided to come have some breakfast and coffee on the balcony, and I was just waiting for my boyfriend to get up so we can explore the ship. There's so much to do on the ship. We were in the casino quite often. They had a bar, a whole bunch of games, everything you could think of for a casino, they had it. So definitely feel free to check it out, and if there's any special programming such as like any games or any fights, this will be the place that you can come and watch it. We were able to watch the Spence and Crawford fight, and everybody was going crazy. We were rooting for Spence, but Crawford took the belt. Now this here was my favorite drink of the ship, that Tokyo tea.
Taste test. Tokyo tea. That tastes like that strong. It's like a Long Island iced tea, but stronger. Shout out to Stanley. Shout out to them though, because they put us on.
The ship also had an arcade, a place for carnival adventures, and the fun hub with computers, and a place where you can find all the pictures you've taken on the boat. This was probably my favorite. We had a private function at Piano Bar 88. It was exclusive to just us. We had drinks, games, different things. We were able to just share some quality time with our family while celebrating the 50th birthday of our uncle that passed away. But it was very intimate and just the perfect moment with family. And yes, you see that right. This is a water park, a whole water park on a boat. They do have showers where you can freshen up after you go and have fun. They have a towel station for you to dry off. They also have this screen up here on the Lido deck that you can do dive-in movies or just chill out, ping pong, ropes course. I mean, they had it all. Carnival did a great job at making sure that everybody has something to do. As you can see up here, there's people from all age groups just having a good time. They even have different tournaments that go on throughout the ship. This one was dodgeball. Almost got hit, but it was okay. They even have a jogging track that's up here, and ducks, y'all. This is a thing. You find ducks in the most random spots, so keep it or re-hide them, but anyway, they're fun. Now, this was my favorite breakfast spot. Blue Iguana. They had tacos and burritos, and when I tell you, this was like a hidden gem because I didn't really see that many people in line on most days, but the tacos and burritos were so good. And Pig and Anchor, this was the barbecue smokehouse. Now this, on the other hand, had a very long line, so if you ever catch this with a short line, definitely just try to hop in line. There's my family. But yeah, this line is super long, but the food is so good. Look at that plate, y'all. Like, I ate this more than once, and I actually like this better than Guy's Burgers, but the Guy Burger joint was good too.
You better get them now because they're going to be gone. They're going to be gone.
Yeah, my cousin was right. Everybody loved those Guy's Burgers. Now this, y'all already know. If you know, you know. You can't go on a cruise and not eat ice cream. Like, that's what we came for, right? But no, they have plenty of other options. They have a buffet where you can choose different things like deli sandwiches. They also had like regular buffet food. They have omelets for in the morning, salads if you're, on your healthy streak, and drinks even if you don't have the bubbles package. Now we're off to change so we can go to karaoke.
Doing it on purpose, why did it work it?
I said I want to see that ass. That ass. Oh! I know that's right, goddamn. Get real.
Y'all, karaoke was the best. I'm literally just reliving it. Now the club was lit. For a club to be on the boat, I did not expect the club to be as lit as it was. Y'all, we had a great time. So I definitely say you got to throw in a club night at least one of the nights. Like, at least try it out. Maybe not the day before we get off the boat because you may have a long night, but definitely try it. Now, this is us getting off the boat. We finally made it to Cozumel. They do have bike riders that will take you down the pier if you don't want to walk. But we just walked down this pier. It may have been like a 5-10 minute walk. And we got into the shops. They have shops as soon as you get in there. That's going to have liquor and like different little souvenirs that you can take home. They also had the pure white. Anybody looking for the Hennessy pure white, they had it in here. But definitely feel free to check out anything that they have. It's a lot of souvenir shops and everything on the strip. So if you don't have an excursion, you could definitely feel free to just hang out at the pier. They had Three Amigos. They had some other bars, a lot of souvenir shops. So definitely don't feel like you have to spend the extra money if you don't have it for excursions. But if you do, definitely feel free to check out things like Mr. Sancho's or Paradise Beach Clubs. These are things that are all inclusive. So once you get there, all your food and drinks are taken care of. And sometimes they have little things that you can do there on the beach that don't cost extra money. Now, if you're looking for jet skis, they do have it $78 at Mr. Sancho's, and that's $78 per jet skis. That's for 30 minutes. So that's what we decided to do. We got on the jet skis and we had a time. I can't say a great time because we fell off twice, but it was fun overall. The name of the company is Victor Water Toys and Sports. So definitely feel free to check them out. They were super safe, made sure that we were all taken care of and comfortable to go out into the ocean. And then there we was out there in the ocean. This was right before we fell probably, but we had a great time. My sister was going crazy. My cousins was doing their thing. Like, we were all having a great time. I still just can't believe, like, we was in the ocean on jet skis. Like, that's just crazy to me. And then we ended it off with a few line dances, and then we were back on the boat living it up again. The cruise director, Lawrence, he is a great entertainer. I swear he had the whole ship jumping the whole time. Like, he was super personable and was just trying to get the crowd going.
Now listen. Tell me alone. Now hold them close.
But it's not just the cruise director. Everybody on the ship, all the staff had great energies and was just getting the whole party started and going for the whole freaking cruise. I wish I could have recorded more just to show you a little bit more, but between all the shows and everything that was going on, I was kind of just living in the moment, just having a great time. So I hope that this was a great video to kind of show you what to expect on the Carnival Breeze, but I hope that whenever you go, you have a great time just like we did. And please let me know if you have any questions. I'll definitely do a follow-up Q&A for any questions you guys have. Thank you for watching this video. Feel free to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.